What's up, Myrtle Beach Travel Park? Welcome back again to our virtual activity corner. Today we are going to be making cacti. So in your bag you should have a crayon, your pot, your cactus, and a story about cacti. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to decorate your pot and your cactus. So the first thing you're going to want to do is draw spikes on your cactus. Just like that. You can be as creative as you want. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to decorate your pot. Again, you can be as creative as you would like. I'm just going to give mine a little outline. Just like that. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to peel off this little piece of paper. There will be a glue dot on the bottom of your cactus. And you are going to stick it on the back of your pot. Just like that. And when you are all done, you can read about cacti and answer the questions. Once you have finished, make sure to post on social media and tag us at Myrtle Beach Travel Park. See ya!